So what you just seen is me using this. This is a new design that I have come up with. And I wanted a cutting tool and a fire making tool that I could fit in my wallet, or a small Altoids, and so on. So I made this blade that I can fit in my wallet. With the cover, it's about the size in the width of about 4 credit cards. And it's also the height of a credit card. It's an inch and a half wide. So this here can slide right into a wallet. That's what I wanted. But I wanted a cutting tool that I can grip like this, and I can gut a trout or skin a rabbit. Now, also, I've got this in here, so it gives you just a little bit of a handle, and you can grab it like this for carving. I can grab it in this style for drawing as well. So it's been working great as a little carver. But it also, you can use it for starting fire. So as a carver, now you make it's sharp starts, your edge starts here. So I put my hand back here. I'm not going to cut myself. And then it's a knot right there, but I can power right through it if I have to, using my thumb as leverage. But it's a very, very nice carver. Now, as a draw knife, I'll grip it like this, and I'm able to just draw back and carve as well. It works pretty sweet. Now I can take this again, go like this, clean off a spot. And now I'm going to take these fine little buds, put them on there, and use this as basically a herb chopper. So now that I have them on there, you can just use it like a little cleaver to chop your herbs. Or you can do this as well, but I'm going to lose them because I didn't make a big enough spot. I just wanted to show you that as a demo. It also makes for a great scraper for using in a tinder bundle. What I have added to my wallet survival kit is a little bag of char cloth. This way I can make magnifying glass fires. I can use it with ferro rod. Or this here is a fire steel. So I created this with this cover here that you can hang onto the cover firmly and strike down. That way you're covering the sharp edge. Plus, it's a cutting tool. Now I find that flint and steel is one of those fire methods that it can take you 1 strike or 50. You just got to get that right spark to hit your tinder. Now I got a piece of flint here and some char cloth on it. We're going to start a fire, or just light the char cloth just to show you how this works. So I have used this and lit char cloth with 1 strike. So we're going to give it a try and see. Like I said, it doesn't matter how many strikes. There you go. First one, I didn't hit it right, but we now have it lit. I'm going to put this out. Ouch! Spark got me. But I'll show you how this strikes, if you can see it. But it just throws sparks like crazy. So you have a fire steel plus a cutting tool in one. Now, this is something that folks may want to carry in a wallet or an Altoids tin. Now, my buddy Pete, he purchased one of these. I'm selling these for 25 bucks. I have one other one already made, and the only difference is I'm not putting holes in them. So this here gives you, you know, like a 2-finger grab kind of thing in the back. So you can purchase that to get your cuts. But there's one all done. This is out of recycled cardboard. I do not have anything else. I'd like to put it in leather, but then leather is too thick. This here, as you see, it might be 1/4 of an inch, something like that. But now you have something to grip and strike. So it's just something that I come up with. I do not have a name for it yet, but something that I figured people may like. So contact me. I'll leave a link in the description to my website, and if you want one of these, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.